Click on the link below to get price. The A-iPower Portable Inverter Generator is a robust and reliable option for anyone in need of a dependable power source while camping, tailgating, or during power outages. With a powerful 4300W output, this generator is RV ready, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who require a portable energy solution. One of the standout features of the A-iPower generator is its quiet operation. Producing just 58 dBA at a quarter load, it ensures that your outdoor experience remains peaceful without the disruptive noise often associated with traditional generators. This low sound level makes it suitable for use in campgrounds where noise regulations may be in place. The generator is designed with efficiency in mind, equipped with an eco mode that automatically adjusts the engine speed based on the load. This feature not only enhances fuel efficiency but also extends the runtime, allowing you to maximize usage on a single tank. With a fuel tank capacity of 3.4 gallons, users can expect a runtime of up to 7 hours at half load, which is quite impressive for a generator of this size. Portability is another significant advantage of the A-iPower generator. Weighing in at just 90 pounds, it includes a comfortable handle and wheels, making it easy to transport. Whether you're loading it into your RV or carrying it to your campsite, the design does not compromise on convenience. The generator includes multiple outlets, including two 120V AC outlets, one 12V DC outlet, and two USB ports, providing versatility for charging various devices. It's also EPA and CARB compliant, ensuring that it meets stringent environmental regulations, which is an important consideration for eco-conscious consumers. Overall, the A-iPower Portable Inverter Generator offers an excellent combination of power, portability, and efficiency, making it a top choice for anyone seeking reliable and quiet power in both recreational and emergency situations. Whether for outdoor adventures or home backup, this generator is a solid investment.